In today's lesson, we're going to discuss the measurements. So, the important measurements we have are the mass, length, temperature, time, and volume. So, here we have the metric base unit, that's the one we use in the United States. And SI unit is the one that is used in Europe and some African countries. And we have the other ones that we use. Like here, coming to the first one being the mass, the metric base unit is we measure in grams here in the United States. Then the SI unit is measured in kilogram. In other, we can measure it in pounds, we can measure in tons, we can measure in ounce. So all depends on the unit they want to use. So here, the second one we have the length. Length, our metric base unit is measured in meters. Then SI unit is empty in meters. Then other we have can measure it in centimeter, length can measured in feet, can be measured in miles, it can be measured in yards. Then for temperature, our metric basic unit is measured in Celsius, degrees Celsius. Then the SI unit, that is standard international unit, is measured in Kelvin. And other, it can also be measured in Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit. Then time, our metric base unit is measured in seconds. SI units is also measured in seconds. Then other, we have milliseconds, days, hours, weeks. Then for volume, the metric base unit is measured in liters. SI unit cubic meters, which is cm cubed. Then other, it can be measured in milliliters, pints, gallons, and quarts. So the next we're gonna talk about the prefixes. So here, these are the prefixes: tera, giga, mega, kilo, deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, and pico. So I'm gonna assign numbers to each one. So I'll give you the trick I use in assigning numbers. So what you're gonna do, what you just need to, you just familiarize yourself with with this prefixes. Familiarize, can use anything to code it just to know how they are being arranged. So in assigning numbers, we're gonna start from tera. Tera, that's 10 to the power of 12. That's for tera. Then giga is 10 to the power of 9, and mega 10 to the power of 6. Kilo 10 to the power of 3. Deci 10 to the power of negative 1. Centi 10 to the power of negative 2. I'll start from the bottom. 10 to the power of negative 12. Nano 10 to the power of negative 9. Micro 10 to the power of negative 6. Milli 10 to the power of negative 3. First four prefixes are greater than the base, while the rest are less than the base. So we can use the prefixes to change the metric base to other metric units. So if you're asked to convert from gram to milligram, just have this on your mind that the larger unit always gets the smaller number, while the smaller unit always gets the larger number. So, as I told you earlier on, that the first four prefixes are larger than the base, while the rest are lesser than the base. So, when you look at this, gram is the base. So, and milligram is less. When you look at the charts, you know that milligram is less than the base. So a milligram is 10 to the power of negative 3. So you assign 10 to the power negative 3 to the larger unit, which is gram, and assign 1 to milligram. To get rid of the negative, just assign 1 to the gram and assign 10 to the power of 3 to milligram. Just exchange and remove the negative. That's it. 10 to the power of 3 is the same thing as 1000. So 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So let's solve this problem. So we first of all set the conversion factor from milligram to gram. So milligram is 10 to the power of negative 3. So we assign 1 to milligram and assign 10 to the power of negative 3 to the gram. So to get rid of the negative, just do an exchange. Assign 1 to the gram and assign 10 to the power of 3 to milligram. So this is the same as 1000 milligram equals 1 gram. Then the formula to use: given unit multiplied by desired unit over given unit. The given unit is 32 grams multiplied by, so you have to say it in a way that gram will cancel gram. So we have 1000 milligram over 1 gram. So 1 gram cancels gram, we will left with 32 and 1000. So 32 multiplied by 1000 is 32,000 milligram. That's our answer. So assuming we are asked to convert 32,000 milligram to gram, so we already know that 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. So now our given unit is 32,000 milligram. So we're going to set it in a way that milligram will cancel milligram. So it's going to be multiplied by 1 gram over 1000 milligram. So milligram will cancel milligram, and the 3 zeros will cancel 3 zeros, and we'll be left with 32 and 1 gram. So 32 multiplied by 1 gram gives us 32 grams. That's the answer. Hope you find this lesson helpful, and if you have any question, remember to put it down in the comment section, and I will attend to it as soon as possible. And remember to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first to get a notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you. So milligram will cancel milligram, and the 3 zeros will cancel 3 zeros. So we're left with 32 and 1 gram. So 32 multiplied by 1 gram is 32 grams. So this is the end of the lesson. If you have any question, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section, and I'll attend to it as soon as possible. And remember to subscribe so that you'll be the first to get a notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye.